See, if you look close here, you can see a little water coming down from the backyard, like a little waterfall. All this water that's in here, normally not like that, but it's like all flooded out. This water, oh shit, it's over the bridge. It is over the freaking bridge. Holy crap. Flowing down. It is high water. All right, we're gonna go take a look at where it exits out. Good grief. Water goes in there. Looks like my culvert is taking it. It's going under here. It's taking it. Praise God. You can see where it's all flooded out. Flooded out. Let's go over the wall. Go over the driveway. Oh no, his yard's like all flooded. Whoa. That's a lot of water in there. Whoa, look at that. It's not usually like this. Water comes down and through. Holy crap. This is the worst it's been. And it shoots out there. But this guy's yard's starting to flood now. Get all flooded out down in there. Holy crap. All right. A lot of water. A lot of water.